Marshal, I would like to ask you about this 5th generation fighter jet program today. Where do we stand, and why is India cautious about buying, say, the F-35s or the Su-57s?
So, to start with, we have been tinkering with 5th generation program for a very long time. I think since about 2014, Air Force has been making the PSQRs and requirements in consultation with DRDO. And last year, government had sanctioned the development of advanced medium combat aircraft, which is 5th generation aircraft with 6th generation technologies. On request of DRDO, actually, they said they cannot directly reach, so in between LCA Mark II project was also sanctioned along with it, so that the technologies could be matured on LCA Mark II platform. Like Defense Secretary Sir said, engine is the important thing, and that government is going to take a decision. Now, your question relates to the gap which is there from now to delivery of 5th generation capability. There is some gap there. 8 or 9 or 10 years gap will be there. So to fill that gap, yes, we are thinking only right now how that gap can be filled. So that there are various options.
So what are the top? So what are the top 2 or 3 priorities that you have?
Means I cannot list the platform that we are still working out, but yes, certainly 5th generation capability. Long range air-to-air missile, these kind of, we have a list. We have a list which, when my turn comes to say that, I will say that. But as far as 5th generation is coming, we are considering. That is for sure. But what we are not ready to open out as yet.